My dad grew up very poor. Eventually had a PhD, THD, everything, but was very hard worker. And I remember what they both were so impressed about Delia Higgins. What a work ethic she had. She was pretty. She loved Chandler, but they were so impressed with what she was going to be. And my dad would always say, Delia's going to be somebody.
Have dust on my boots of 1,000 cathedrals, and I have taken my place with bended knees.
You know, me, Chandler, and Jacob, it was us all the time, late nights, driving around town, trying to figure out something to do. Or it was me bringing Delia home from church, and I was getting all the latest gossip about who was together, who broke up. I got all of the greatest sermon content that a youth pastor could ever dream of from these two people.
My voice with a multitude of angels whose nests are treasured by your trees.
Watching you from junior high and now being with you today, I try not to cry, but it's an emotional thing and it's a beautiful thing. Seeing life, what two great people have accomplished.
Oh, I like this tie. That's an awesome tie.
Oh, God. I don't have words. It's gorgeous. And I'm not going to cry because I don't want you to cry.
I know.
Oh, gosh. Chandler's in there nervous.
Oh, I'm sure.
He is.
I'm sure.
He's so nervous he bit his mama's head off a minute ago
Oh,
about the ties.
Oh, gosh.
I told him, I said, you know, no daddy trusts a fella with his daughter in the beginning. Mm-hmm. I said, but after 7 years, I said, and all the experiences we've been through and the conversations we had, I want you to know that I trust you. Mm-hmm. I trust you with her life, just like, you know, that you'll protect her at all costs. And he said, well, thank you.
Love you.
Too.
Music on your fingers. Heartbeat on the wind.
I, Chandler, take thee, Delia, be my wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love, to cherish, to attest, to his word, according to God's holy ordinance.
According to God's holy ordinance, I pledge you my trust.
Amongst the mist and the dew, you will divide.
Mark 10 says this, and the two will become one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. Now for the moment that we've all been waiting for. You may now kiss the bride. Introducing for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Higgins.
I told George when we were getting ready for this service today, I said, you know, I got all confidence that they're going to be one of those couples that makes it, because after 7 years, you know each other. But these guys have been together for a long time, and that's the kind of dedication to each other that it's going to take to weather the storms of married life and adulthood and things like that.
But y'all don't do anything halfway. Everything you've done 110%, and I'm so proud of y'all. And as George mentioned, Papa and Granny loved you immensely. You'd walk out of the room and Granny'd say, she loves Chandler. I can tell by the way she looks at him.
I'm looking forward to the next chapter with y'all.
It's been a long time coming, and I'm really proud of you both. And yeah, I just can't imagine, anyone better that's for both of y'all, and I'm just really proud of y'all. I love y'all.